Fiddlesticks! One morning, Percy was impatient. He was wearing a new coat of rubbish and longed for everyone to see it. The other engines were still dozing, but not Percy. Coaches should be here by now. What's he doing? Sleeping, grunted Gordon. But that means I'll be late. The coaches will be waiting, and the passengers will get coaches. Rubbish, huffed Henry. It's still early, added James. You just want to show off. No, I don't. Never mind, Percy, said Thomas. It'll soon be time for work. But be careful, or you might run into danger. And Garlowy is not here to save you. Garlowy, stuttered Toby. You mean our hero? A large painting of Garlowy hung in the engine shed. The very same, said Thomas. Driver told me the story. Listen.
It was Sodor, on the island of Winter. The snow covered
Percy and Toby.
All the engines were
disposed,
except Percy.
Help!
Ah, huffed Thomas, and went on his way. Later, Thomas had to help, but it was too deep, but it was too deep, but it was too deep, but it was...
Silence!
He got stuck. Thomas was very cross. Snow is nothing but trouble, he moaned. Russ was close by. Driver says that this letter is just about as bad as the worst letter of all. How worst? Asked Thomas. I'll tell you, replied Rusty, and the little end did. Skarloey died.
I will remember you. Will you remember me?
That's not a happy ending, cried Percy.
Shut up!